going to rescue him if I can't see him?
Covered bridge. Please watch your step. Thank you for riding the Koko Express.
Well done, Koko. You're right on time.
Wish I could signal Emery to let him know I'm here. Maybe I can. Area clear. Check and fire!
Someone's coming! Help! Help! I'm over here!
Chug Patrol, to the rescue! Emery! Where are you?
Help! Help!
There's no more tracks!
Tell me about it! Over here!
Oh, I see you! Wilson to Jackman. I've located Emery off track in the forest. Over.
Good work. Risk report. Danger?
Low. He's broken down and out of battery, but not at risk.
On-site equipment?
Chug Patrol 1. It won't reach, though. We need Chug Patrol 4.
Chug Command, release Chug Patrol 4. On my way, Wilson.
Whoa!
Hold tight. Everything's in control.
But once you have learnt it, you will never forget it. We will try again another time.
Oh.
Patience, Koko-san. Good skills come from failure and practice. Work hard, and you will succeed. Return the chuckbots to the working wheels yard. I will see you tomorrow.
Okay, Hanzo. See you.
I've got the new pieces of track, Zack.
Good work, Brewster. Ready, Fletch?
Yep.
Solid as a rock.
What's next?
We'll fix the sun kink, but in the meantime, let's reopen this track. Can you move the barrier wagon, Brewster?
Chugs away! Chugger coming! Koko, that track's closed!
But I'll never stop in time!
Yes, you will!
Ah! Mr. Move!
Stop!
Lisa, back, front. Phew!
Wow, Koko, that was the best braking I've ever seen.
Hanzo was right. I just had to trust myself. Hey, and there were no complaints from my passengers.
You've got passengers?
Just these training books.
What a racket!
Thanks for warning me about the track.
Thanks for not hitting me. OK, you can turn around here.
Looks like I've mastered braking at speed, but I still have much to learn.
It's like Zack always says, Chugginton wasn't built in a day.
Yeah, the Chuggineers can't work that fast.
Cheeky.
Help, Hanzo!
Stay calm. I need to find something heavy. Extra weight will slow you down. Oh, no!
What should I do?
Find a mountain. Steep climb slow you down.
I'll head for Rocky Ridge.
I'll get help!
This is wowza, Callie! Woohoo!
Jackman to Wilson and Callie.
Report, Jackman.
Koko's lost control and is heading your way.
Oh, no! Koko's in trouble!
It's up to you to stop her.
I have an idea! Over and out! Here she comes! Hurry, Wilson! OK, we're Chug Patrol and we're in control!
Good luck, Chug Patrollers.
What's that?
Don't worry.
We're ready to rescue you, Koko. Treat-tastic.
Wheels crossed.
Even Chug Patrol can't stop me! Brewster making ballast ahead! Ballast? Brewster! Drop ballast on the track! Now!
Oh, it worked!
Oh, thanks, Brewster. The ballast slowed me down, and the dust clogged my booster.
Oh, you're safe, Koko-san. But let us not take any chances.
We've got you.
You dealt with a real emergency extremely effectively, Koko-san.
Thanks. I tried to stay cool and calm, like you taught me.
Come on, we need to get you to the repair shed. Wilson to Jackman, bring Chug Patrol 6.
I know, but there's an urgent job I need to do for Speedy. There'll be other chances to see a demolition.
Yeah, you're a Chuggineer now. Good for you, Brewster.
This is so exciting. Oh, it's going to be quite a sight, all right.
I haven't seen a demolition in a long, long time.
Okay, everyone, cover your vents. This is gonna be loud.
Thanks. Much obliged.
No problem, Speedy. Hope you get the excavator fixed soon.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, what happened?
Uh-oh.
Oh, bumpers.
Oh, dear.
I'll have to reboot. I'm on it. Stand by. Okay. Tower demolition, take 2. Stand by.
Honking horns!
3, 2, 1.
Look at that! Oh, where's he going?
Kaboom!
Not bad at all.
That was perfecto.
Nice one, Chuggineer time.
Oh, Brewster, you made it after all. Oh, you did the right thing by helping Speedy.
And I still got to see the explosion.
And you're just in time for your next job.
You forgot one crucial thing.
I left stuff all over the tracks and didn't put the barriers up.
That's right. First rule of Chug Patrol. You have to leave the track safe or close the line.
Oh, bumpers. I can't believe I did that. I got carried away with helping Skylar and forgot.
Don't be too hard on yourself. You're just starting out. I bet you won't forget next time.
I hope not.
Come on, let's all go back to the Chuggasonic speed track and clear up together.
Seem to have got myself into a bit of a pickle.
Pete, I brought back the... Oh,
Much obliged, Windsock. I'm a bit, tied up right now. Could you leave them over there?
Pete, you need help.
Oh, this is nothing. I'll be all right. You should have seen me back in... Oh, when was
Chug Patrol, ready to rescue.
Nice one, Wilson.
What's going on?
This young fella got me out of a spot of bother.
It, wasn't a test, was it, Jackman?
No, this is real. And I see you remember to close the track.
Yeah.
Good job. You're doing really well with your training, Wilson. Maybe, with a lot of hard work,